Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to paper trade using Tradovate. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradovate website. If you are new, click on Sign Up and register for a 2-week demo account. If you already have a funded account, simply click on Log In and enter your email and password. After you log in, look at the account selection area. You need to make sure you are using the simulation account. This is very important. The simulation account uses virtual money. If you select a live account by mistake, you could place real trades. Always double check that it says simulation before you continue. Next, choose the instrument you want to trade. Go to the products or market section and search for futures contracts. For example, you can select the E-mini S&P 500, also known as E-mini S and P 500 with the symbol ES. Now click on the trading button in the top menu. This opens the trading module. Here you can place different types of orders. A market order enters a trade instantly at the current price. A limit order lets you choose the price you want. A stop order triggers when price reaches a certain level. Enter your quantity, review your order, and click Buy or Sell. Finally, configure your interface. Add charts, market data, and position trackers to your dashboard. Arrange the windows so you can clearly see your trades and performance. Thanks for watching.